Hello, I'm here to introduce EZIIL, a simple yet insightful way to manage your fabrication projects. Our workflow is based on four key components: project information, project planning, reporting, and progress and results. First, all projects need to be registered. Project information is organized by clients, projects, and phases, including details such as the project manager, draftsman or engineer, job status, deadlines, and more. Additionally, all project documentation can be managed directly in EZIIL. Each project's tasks, including estimated work hours and budgets, are outlined here. This setup is flexible and can adapt to company-specific workflows with the option to plan based on resources of individuals. The next step is reporting. Our simple start-stop functionality works across smartphones, tablets, and PCs. Workers can log their work by starting a timer, and the data will automatically be linked to the relevant project and operation. Once a job is finished, the information is sent back to the master view, where you can monitor project progress against the budget. For more in-depth analysis, you can generate reports to track work completed by department, operation, or even at the individual worker level. In summary, these are the four main steps: project data, planning, reporting, and analysis.